How to send emails. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use the email feature within ChildFriendly to communicate with your staff and families. Begin by navigating to the Email tab under the Communicate module. Here, you'll find 4 options to choose from. You have the ability to compose a new email, review your email history, manage delayed emails, or adjust your settings. Let's start by creating a new email. First, decide who the recipients will be. Helpful icons with question marks can be clicked for clarification on recipient groups. Selecting Child will send the email to the guardians of all chosen children. Selecting Group sends the email to the guardians of children in a specific group. The Programs option targets guardians within a designated program. Choosing Members lets you send to specific family members. And of course, there's the Staff option also. In this example, let's filter by child to send an email to all the guardians of the selected children. Here, you'll see the family name displayed. Then, you can select the desired recipients. Each child is listed with the number of guardians in their profile shown in brackets. To the right, the guardian details for the chosen children are displayed. You'll find their names, their relationship to the student, their guardian status, and their pickup authorization level. You can also use filters to further narrow down your list. By default, children with current status are selected, but you might want to email past children, those on a waitlist, or future enrollees by modifying the status filter. The status is based on a date range. The status you select is the status that the child will be as of the date range selected. Once you have applied all your desired filters, you can select a specific student, click Select All to select all students on all pages, or choose Select All in current page. After selecting the children, decide if you want to blind copy anyone, such as staff or admin. You can search and select administrators or staff to copy. Staff can be filtered by active or inactive status for the applicable period. You also have the option to select all or just those on the current page. Now enter your subject and the body of your email. You can add links, paste screenshots and images directly, or attach files. When finished, click Send. Now, let's navigate to the History tab. This tab displays all sent emails and their statuses, such as if they reached the inbox or got filtered into spam. Next, let's talk about the Delayed tab. This tab is only used during the initial setup of your center. There's a toggle in the Setup module to disable email sending while setting up accounts. This allows you to create accounts without sending automatic email portal invites until you're ready. Here, you'll see pending emails that are being stopped from being sent until the toggle in Setup is enabled, at which point they will automatically all be sent. If you need to send a one-off email while emails are disabled, you can manually override this by selecting and sending individual emails from this tab. Lastly, there's the settings. To maintain professionalism, it's a good idea to add a JPEG or PNG email signature, which can be uploaded here and will be automatically attached to the footer of all your emails. And that covers everything you need to know about using emails in ChildFriendly.